Hey guys, I just want to make this quick review for you about the Xiaomi electric scooter 4 Pro Plus if you're thinking about buying it. Well, like what can be the cons here of actually buying it? So the first thing, you have IPX4, so this is not the dust resistant. This is only for the water resistance. So this is like the first thing. Then the second thing that is like also really important thing is that you have a real long charging time, right? So you have charging time for about 9 hours, which is pretty long. So this is another con that I wanted to share. The third thing they are prepared for you is you have trail range of 60 kilometers, but this is questionable if you're going to actually like achieve the 60-kilometer travel range. And if you are going to, like, let's say even buy it, I would be really curious if you can get it out of it, because I really think that you would get like 20-30 kilometers max. So this is the first thing, because for the max, people just like reported that they got lower at the trail range, and they get like similar things there. And the last thing is the product weight. So maybe the 94.5 kilos is going to be okay too, but still it's nearly 20 kilos that you have to carry if you want to like also carry it. Let's say on like through the stairs and things like that. So good exercise, but still I just wanted to share it as a con, like a thing that you need to actually know. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.